In this video, we're going to take a high-level look at types of technical analysis models of universal market geometry, or UMG. Before we dive in, remember that you can find the complete description of UMG, its core concepts, and the algorithms for all UMG models on wiki.marketpawns.com. Let's head over to the Archive tab on Marketpawns, where every model type is showcased. Models type is shown in Model column. UMG algorithms use specific sequences of high and low bars to identify and build these models. The highs and lows used for drawing models' lines are called touches. Touches, along with other highs and lows selected by algorithms, are included in the broader concept of model points. Points and touches share a common numbering system. For example, touch 1 and point 1 are the same thing. However, some points are not touches, like point 6, for example. Let's talk about basic UMG models. A key feature of all basic models is that all points, starting from touch 1, belong to the same single trend. Let's look at the expansion model, or EM, first. EM is formed by a trend line built using touch 1 and touch 3, and aim line built using touch 2 and touch 4. The three main conditions for a model to be considered as EM are: 1. Divergence. The lines have different slopes and visibly spread apart as they move from left to right. 2. Left intersection. The line's intersection occurs close to touch one time. The precise definition of close is complex, so if you want the math, check the algorithms on the wiki. We'll also cover these details in future courses. 3. Co-directional. Both lines are either moving up or both are moving down. The auxiliary attraction model. In many basic models, including EM, an auxiliary attraction model can be built by drawing an extra line through point 5. The intersection of this auxiliary line with the aim line gives us a calculated point 6 level. This level often signals a potential trend correction or reversal. The next model is the attraction model, or AM. The attraction model is the opposite of the EM. It's characterized by converging lines. The key features of the AM are: 1. Convergence. The lines converge and intersect close to touch 4. 2. Like the EM, both lines must be co-directional. Crucially, the intersection of the basic attraction model's lines also provides a calculated point 6 level, similar to the auxiliary attraction models. The next model is the dynamic balance model, or DBM. DBM features include: 1. Parallel or distant convergence. It means that lines' intersection lies far away from touch 4 on the right or far away before touch 1 on the left. 2. Both lines are co-directional. Thus we have listed three options. 1. EM. Lines diverge and intersect close to touch 1 on the left. 2. AM lines converge close to touch 4 on the right. 3. DBM. Lines are parallel or intersect far away in time. There are also cases where the convergence point is neither close enough to fit the EM or AM rules, nor far enough to be a pure DBM. Such models belong to the mixed types of EM-DBM and AM-DBM correspondingly. The following model type is Wedge Model. It has following features. 1. The lines converge on the right. 2. The lines are counter-directional. That is to say, one goes up and the other goes down. The final model type is an external attraction model, or EAM. This model is non-basic or complex model. Not all of its points belong to the same trend. In EAM's starting point of the trend is touch 3. Points 1 and 2 of EAM belong to the previous trend. In addition, point 1 is not a touch, and it's not even marked on chart, unlike in all other models. The EAM lines are co-directional and converge on the right, close to touch 4 times. EAM lines intersection also provides a calculated point 6 level. Finally, I need to mention that there are rare cases when it's impossible to definitively determine which basic type a model belongs to. In such cases, the model column will display NA and a numeric code indicating the specific algorithm point used to build the structure. That's all for today. You are now familiar with all the types of UMG models that Marketpawns can find on charts. The best part is that Marketpawns automatically marks up all of these patterns in real time, allowing you to use this sophisticated analysis across any time frame you need. See you in the next video, and stay tuned.